78.3%. Best long context retrieval score ever recorded. 2 years of zero growth. The memory wall. Context rationing. Here is why your context window just hit a ceiling. Your AI is about to start rationing your context window. Anthropic just shipped 1 million tokens for Claude Opus 4.6 and Sonnet 4.6 on the Claude platform at standard pricing, and that might be the ceiling for the next 5 years. Yesterday, Anthropic posted this on X. Millions of views in hours. 1 million token context window generally available. No beta headers, no premium pricing. The internet celebrated. Yet nobody is asking the obvious question. We have been at 1 million tokens for 2 full years. And the reason we are stuck has nothing to do with software. Before we get into the uncomfortable part, credit where it is due. Opus 4.6 scores 78.3% on MRCR v2 at 1 million tokens. That is the highest long context retrieval score ever recorded on this benchmark by a frontier model. A 900,000 token request now costs the same per token rate as a 9,000 token request. No long context premium. Flat pricing. Media capacity jumped from a small image limit to hundreds of images per request, enabling new multimodal workflows. Claude Code users on Max, Team and Enterprise plans get full 1 million context with Opus 4.6. Fewer compactions, more coherent long sessions. This is a genuinely good release. So why does the bigger picture look so bleak? MRCR v2 is the benchmark to watch. It was built by OpenAI and Anthropic is beating them on it. Here is how it works. 8 specific facts are hidden across a million token prompt. The model has to find and reproduce the right one. Not just any needle in the haystack. The correct needle out of 8 nearly identical ones. That is why most models collapse at this scale. At 1 million tokens, Opus 4.6 hits 78.3%, the highest long context score ever recorded on MRCR v2. GPT 5.4 and Gemini. Quick question. What model do you use most? Drop it in the comments. 30s respectively. And here is the fascinating part. Opus actually improves from 128K to 256K, peaking at over 90% recall, before gracefully declining at 1 million. Most other frontier models show only decline from the start. That pattern is what Anthropic calls fighting context rot. Performance degrades as context grows. The question is how fast you fall. And this is where it gets uncomfortable. February 2024. Google announces Gemini 1.5 Pro with 1 million tokens. March 2024. Anthropic ships. Claude 3 Opus with the same number, 2 years pass. March 2026. Both OpenAI and Anthropic now offer 1 million token context at GA level stability, albeit with different access tiers. That is less than 1 order of magnitude growth in 2 years. Compare that to everything else. Cost per token has fallen by roughly 1 to 2 orders of magnitude. Inference speed has improved by an order of magnitude. Benchmark quality skyrocketed. Context windows barely moved. Sam Altman has suggested that context windows could grow tens or even hundreds of times longer than current limits. That would mean tens of millions of tokens at minimum. The industry bet on exponential growth. The reality is a flat line. The reason is physical, not algorithmic. And once you understand the hardware, everything clicks. Your GPU has a memory called HBM, high bandwidth memory. An H100 has 80 gigabytes. A B200 has a MinRAT92. For a large frontier model, the KV cache for 1 million tokens can easily exceed 300 gigabytes. That is more than a single GPU can provide. So the overflow spills into DRAM, the CPU's memory. DRAM is 10 to 20 times slower. Moving data between HBM and DRAM causes decode stalls, moments where your GPU sits idle waiting for memory. And here is the supply problem. HBM capacity is largely allocated through 2026. DRAM prices have surged over 70% this year. The 3 major manufacturers, Samsung, SK Hynix and Micron, shifted production to HBM, squeezing consumer DRAM supply. Even gaming GPUs are affected. This is not a software limitation. It is a physics problem. You cannot double the context window without doubling the memory, and the memory is not there. Wait. 91% of solo AI builders quit within 3 months. But not this group. Over 1,000 builders. Daily hangouts where you debug together. weekly workshops that actually level you up. A full agentic coding course. 72 lessons, 12 modules. From zero to shipping multi-agent systems. People share projects, brainstorm ideas, help each other in real time. This is where AI builders actually make it. Link in description, 10% off. Join us. Back to the video now. The podcast that named this was Latent Space. Swix and Doug O'Loughlin were discussing the memory wall when the phrase dropped. Context rationing. The idea that context windows become a tiered resource. Free users get a fraction. Pro users get more. Enterprise gets the full million. The million token context window, Doug said, is like a mansion. And this is not a prediction anymore. It is already happening. In practice, the full 1 million token context window is available through the API and advanced configurations, but most consumer tier plans default to much less. OpenAI's GPT 5.4 can reach 1 million tokens through the API, but ChatGPT Plus, Team and Pro plans default to 272,000. That is context rationing with a different label. The bet from the AI News team. Context windows will not meaningfully exceed 1 million in the next 2 years. That is a bold call in AI time, but the hardware constraints make it hard to argue against. NVIDIA is not waiting for bigger memory chips. They built an entirely new architecture tier. At CES 2026, they announced ICMSP, the Inference Context Memory Storage Platform. It creates a 3-level memory hierarchy for KV cache. HBM on the GPU for hot data, DRAM on the CPU for warm data, and flash storage through BlueField-4, DPLs for cold context petabyte scale. NVIDIA claims the numbers are dramatic, up to 5 times higher tokens per second and around 5 times better power efficiency for long context inference. Available second half of 2026. This is the hardware industry admitting the ceiling is real and building infrastructure to work around it, not break through it. 3 pieces of good news. Flat pricing means you can load entire code bases without financial penalty. Hundreds of images per request unlock real multimodal workflows. And Opus 4.6 genuinely retrieves better at long context than any competitor. 3 pieces of bad news. Many users report that effective capacity is closer to 60 to 70% of the advertised maximum. Context rot is real, even Opus drops from over 90% to 78.3 between 256K and 1 million, and a single 1 million token Opus query can cost a few dollars in input alone, depending on your provider and plan. The practical takeaway. Build for the ceiling. Design your systems, assuming 1 million tokens is the maximum for the foreseeable future. Invest in retrieval, chunking and summarization because brute force context scaling is not coming to save you. Build for the ceiling, not for a breakthrough that is not coming. Anthropic blog, AI news analysis and NVIDIA ICMSP details are all linked below. If you want to understand how context windows actually work under the hood, subscribe. We break down what matters without the hype.